Hello guys, welcome to the Positive Drive. This is another episode, guys. And this is basically to celebrate the Chinese New Year. And it's like the lunar New Year, and it's all about, your outlook and how upbeat are you for the coming year. It's another new year. It's the year of the ox, as they say. So the year of the rat ended, and now we're in the year of the ox. So let's go. Let's have a positive drive today. Alright. So currently we're in we're in the Mambolo area. Oh, there's a Chinese temple here. But yes, we're gonna talk about the year of the ox. And it's all about New Year's resolution. Do you believe in luck? Chinese horoscope. Unsa man imong sign? Or like, are you a snake, a rat, a dragon, an ox, a sheep? Unsa man imong sign? Tiger, rabbit. So mga cute kaya nilang mga horoscopes. Their signs, different signs. But yes, I think basic one na this is based on luck, and how lucky would you be, what stars is there, would this year be a good year to marry? Grabe ka naman Chinese. The tradition of Chinese includes that na would this be a year to find love, a good year to get married, a good year to move to a house or new career. And it's quite elaborate, and there's so many experts now about talking about Chinese horoscope, Chinese forecast, the luck. And I guess last year they took a beating because there's so many Chinese astrologers who said it's gonna be a lucky year in 2021, and wow, what happened in 2020, and then 2020 happened, and it wasn't really much of a lucky year. Although hey, I think there were also people who still made a lot of money last year, diba? So somehow there were lucky ones last year as well. I mean, there were fortunate ones. And how about you guys? Were you lucky last year? So are you gonna do some Chinese traditions dictate that you have to like eat something sticky and sweet, like tikoy, like masi. Some even have round fruits. Wear red. Wear red. Yes, wear red. I'm wearing red shorts, but yeah, I mean, they have to eat with the family. So those are practical guidelines actually about Chinese New Year. Pero some say you won't lose anything if you believe, right? But basically the nicest thing about it is that the basic lesson is do good. Have a good relationship with your family or friends or neighbors, whichever applies, diba? But you won't have much trouble throughout your life. You can have friends. When you're in need, they'll help you, diba? That's essence. The essence is still doing good, right? Doing charity, doing random acts of kindness, which is basically a general one in life. It's just do good to others, diba? And then that's basically same as our the thought here of the positive drive. That we have to be positive. We have to do what's right. We have to do what's good, not only for you but also for others. And by doing something positive, doing something good, it will multiply, and it will somehow return to you. And that's the general thing that's happened, and that's the expectation or that's normally what happens. You wouldn't know someone would suddenly help you out of nowhere, and it's probably because also there was a time that you're the one who was helping someone out of nowhere, diba? And yes, that's what we reiterate in the coming year. Na keep doing good, pay it forward, pay always fun. Try as much as possible to have a great relationship with your family, your parents, your kids, your wife, your everyone, your teacher. Because that's the kind of that's the secret to having a good life. And we always wish to have a good life. I mean, everyone wants a good life, and although we might have different definitions of good life, but somehow, yes, in general, you want to be wealthy, you want to be fortunate, you want to be lucky, you want to be the one giving than receiving, and that's kuhan ba? And in general, that's what we are working on. And I guess having a positive mindset would be important to have, you know, a better luck, a better life. Diba? We have to put it that way. I mean, no matter how many, you know, trinkets that you put, like the gold, the other weapons, the other things that you put in your house, the frogs and one, but in general, your inner game must also reflect your outer aspirations. Diba? You must have, like, you know, the peace of mind, the conscience, the good conscience, the positive outlook, diba? So no matter how much you put, you know, faith on those material things, like, you know, the coins, the trinkets, the lucky things, so you have to have faith as well. You have to believe, diba, na they have an effect. So meaning, you know, our mental game and our inner game is also important for these things to work. And yes, that's the reflection for today, for the year of the ox, for the new year. Na to be lucky, you have to wear a positive mindset, a positive smile, a smile. We have to smile today, or not only today, but the rest of our lives. We have to always smile. We have to make people smile as well, as much as possible. Diba? How, I mean, you know how rewarding it is when you can make a child smile. Remember when there are kids, you know, little infants that you want to make face so that they can laugh, so that these kids can laugh, you know. Swerte lang I mean, those kids are so fortunate that it only takes, you know, an ugly or a cute face to make them laugh. But that's one. In moro na kinahanglan nila, but happy are those kids, diba? But in the future, of course, di naman ta pwede naman we can just make faces and to make people happy. So we can do something good for them, diba? So wala, for this year probably, yes, if you want to do to have a great 2021, yeah, just wear that positive mindset, that grateful, the gratitude, the attitude of gratitude, and, you know, do the things that are required to really become a bright spot in this difficult situation. Let's be the bright spots, and then if we have, you know, a series of bright spots, then it will really, really light up the whole place. So wala, in our own way, let's be, you know, that little shining star. And collectively we can really create an amazing world. So thank you so much for watching this positive drive. We talked about, you know, our outlook and how to become luckier and how to have a better year, I guess. And I hope, yeah, if you agree with me, yes, let me know. If not, you have better ideas, please kindly share. Yes, we always learn from each other. We don't have, you know, there's no monopoly of great ideas and habits. So do share, guys. And thank you so much for watching and listening to this Positive Drive podcast episode. And I hope you have a great year ahead. Happy Chinese New Year. Gong Hei Fat Choi. Gong Hei Fat Choi. And manigong batitaon. So one, hinaot unta, swerte inyong bagong tuig. So thank you so much, and see you on our next The Positive Drive episode, guys. And I'm glad we made this episode happen, because you guys are awesome. Bye.